Welcome back. I need to tell you something that genuinely shocked me. 7 days ago, I made one simple promise to myself, Thurndo, 30 minutes on a bike, every single day. I won't lie, Had. Day 1 felt like the worst idea of my life.
But by day 7 Pro, my body looked and felt completely different. And I have the data to prove it.
Real numbers, real changes. And they started happening faster than I ever expected. This is the video I wish someone had shown me before I started. We're covering all of it for Cav, every single day, every single change.
Stay until the end, Hui, because day 5 surprised me most of all. Day 1, Monday morning, 6 a.m., and every part of me wanted to go back to bed. I forced myself to eat something bad. They say never ride on an empty stomach.
And just like that, Tay, no more excuses. I clipped in and pushed off.
My legs felt like concrete. My lungs were on fire. At minute 8, I almost stopped.
But I finished. 30 minutes. It didn't feel good. But I did it.
Day 1 change. My body released a flood of endorphins, and I felt calmer for hours after. Here's the science. Just 20 minutes of cardio triggers your brain's feel-good chemistry. That night, I fell asleep 40 minutes earlier than usual. I didn't even see it coming.
Day 1 stats, hey, modest numbers. But that seed was planted.
Day 2 greeted me with the tightest legs I've ever felt in my life.
DOMS, delayed onset muscle soreness. It's your body screaming that it wasn't ready.
Those micro tears are actually a good thing. Oh, they rebuild stronger than before. I got back on anyway. Because quitting on day 2 is the most common mistake people make. Interesting at Hare, my heart rate was already 4 beats lower than day 1 at the same pace. Day 2, still hard. But something subtle was shifting inside my body.
Day 3, and for the first time, bro, I woke up feeling actually good. I started craving real food. My body was telling me what it needed.
3 days of cardio had literally rewired my brain's reward system.
And the ride itself? It felt almost gay, enjoyable. Almost.
Here's what nobody tells you. 30 minutes of cycling gives you 4 to 6 hours of mental clarity.
Sleep quality on day 3, 3 the best I'd had in months. Deep, uninterrupted, restorative. Day 4, and something had changed in the mirror. Nothing huge, but unmistakable.
By day 4, your body switches to burning fat as its primary fuel source during sustained cardio.
Down 1.8 pounds, mostly water weight and inflammation to scalp. But the trend was clear.
My clothes were telling the story my scale couldn't fully capture.
Cycling is one of the best exercises for your heart to sprinting. Here's exactly what was happening inside me.
My heart was already working 12 beats per minute smarter. That's cardiovascular adaptation in under 4 days. Day 5, minute 18. And something extraordinary happened that I did not see coming.
Scientists call it the endocannabinoid rush. I just called it the best feeling of my week. My body had found its rhythm. And for 12 beautiful minutes, I felt completely free.
That's the hidden power of consistent cardio calm. It makes every other healthy choice easier.
I didn't just change my body toe. I started changing the decisions I was making all day long.
My focus at work hit a level I haven't experienced in years. Colleagues actually noticed.
Cycling for 30 minutes a day drops cortisol, or the stress hormone Peru, by up to 26%. 5 days in Tayam, and I finally understood why cyclists smile like that.
Day 6. And I realized something huge, Kahlo. I was thinking differently.
Aerobic exercise literally grows new brain cells. After 6 days, pang, my hippocampus was changing.
Executive function, memory, problem-solving, critching, all measurably sharper after 6 days of cardio.
My skin. I was NOT expecting this. Improved circulation had given me an actual glow.
Cycling boosts circulation to your skin. More oxygen, more collagen, more glow. It's real science.
That hill that destroyed me on day 1 POW, I climbed it today without even dropping gear.
Day 7. And for the first time in years, Prav, I woke up before my alarm. 7 days. And look at the difference, Playa. Not just in my body, but in my face.
Here are the numbers. Real, verified, mine.
This ride down, this was my best one yet. And I understood something on that trail.
It was never really about the 30 minutes. It was about who I became in those 30 minutes.
7 days. 7 versions of me. Each one a little stronger than the last.
Let me give you the complete picture, Veo. Every single change, all in one place. Your weight, energy, sleep. The 7 days are over. But I'm not stopping. This has become part of who I am.
If you're thinking about trying this, Dao, don't think. Just start. Even 10 minutes. Just start.
Comment below, Thame. Are you on your day 1 right now or your day 7? Let me know.
VO2 max, Pearl, your body's oxygen efficiency Searle, improves measurably in just 1 week of cycling.
Cycling changed my gut bacteria in 7 days. Yes, Rar, really. The research is clear.
Your insulin sensitivity improves with every single ride. On the Kyle, cutting your diabetes risk in real time.
Moderate cycling boosts your immune system by U to 30%. I didn't catch a cold once.
Here's why cycling beats running for most people. 0 joint impact, maximum cardiovascular benefit.
Cycling reactivates your glutes and core, 2 things that desk jobs slowly destroy. Cycling naturally boosts growth hormone and testosterone, the anti-aging, muscle-building hormones.
BDNF-TOS. Scientists literally call it miracle grow for your brain. Cycling floods your brain with it.
So, was 7 days of cycling worth it? Here's my honest answer. 3 things nobody tells you before you start your cycling challenge. It's hard at first. Day 3 is the turning point. Day 5 will blow your mind.
I liked it so much, Ty, I made a 30-day plan. Link in the description.
By day 7, 3 people texted me asking what I had changed. That's when I knew it was real.
The only rule is this: get on the bike. Everything else takes care of itself.
If this helped you bail, hit subscribe. More challenges coming every week.
Watch these next to prayer. They'll change your relationship with the bike forever.
See you on the road.